What up, man? Outdoors to K3. Say, y'all see where we at. My boy Jett out here. What you got on there? Let me see. Check it out. Carpet going out. Say, go ahead and make it happen, bro. What's up? Gonna let that sink. Hey, we out here on the river today. We taking anything to bite right now. Just getting set up. And yeah, we're gonna make it happen. Stay tuned, let's get it.
You see that hook?
Hey, y'all, I just fell and bust my beep. But hey, not even, bro. Not even 4 minutes of being in the water. Oh, whoa. Oh, easy release.
Flop again, buddy.
That's crazy. Oh, y'all, I think I just witnessed like a murder happened. Like, bro fell off and he just started like stressing out and just died. I don't know if he got, oh, that's a wasp. Whew. I don't know if he got hit by wasps, ants, I don't know. He just fell, but yeah, see y'all in a minute.
He might have just been sitting there chomping.
That's what I said, bro.
Alright.
Stay on, stay on, stay on. He there?
Yeah, he's there.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah, he's on, Jett.
Yes,
He's
sir.
on.
Stay on,
Oh.
Jett. No. He still there?
Nope.
Damn.
Dude, he was big. He was big.
Hey.
He broke my rig.
Ah. Popped open.
Got a whole hook.
Bro, he broke the hook, bro. Sheesh. Crazy. Hey.
Bro, when
He had a beast, bro. He was just in there chomping on it. Chomping on it. Pole kept. And all of a sudden that mud just took off, man. Dang. Say, you taking all the fish, bro. Ah, good shit.
Turn it on. Record mine. This motherfucker's running again.
Yeah, that's running, dog. I think that's what we just saw. What's on there?
Carpet.
Carp what?
Carpet.
Yes, sir. So you don't want to let it get too far out there, cause that. Stay down on them. Stay down on them. Yep. Now let them run. Let them run. Let them run. Yes, sir. Let them pull it. Ooh.
There he is. Come on.
No. Ah.
Twice.
Ah. Sheesh. It just came off.
I saw him.
Ah. And my pole is getting nothing still. Carp head going out. Again. Third time's the charm, right?
Maybe I ain't hitting him hard enough.
Put your back into it next time. They're open. It was running fast, y'all.
He dropped. Oh, yeah, he's going.
There's a tug. Yep, back to running. Yes, sir. Oh, he going. Are you gonna get him this time, bro?
Probably not.
Hey, we're gonna catch him anyway.
We're gonna try though.
Let's
hey,
do
4
it.
times the charm today.
4 times the charm. Let's make it happen, bro.
I'm gonna let him run for a little bit. It's fine.
Do your thing. Oh, tighten your drag up, tighten your drag up. You there?
Yep.
What you think, like a 4-footer?
Yep. Not like we think it.
Yeah.
Take it.
Look, you look like a catfish. But he moving too fast. Oh! That's not no 4-footer, bro.
We gonna take it today.
More like a 5.
Hey, Jess, grab in my bag. Use the rope.
I got you.
Baby's got it.
Oh, I got it. Oh. Right on time, bro. What the f? Holy sh. Bro, I caught him right on time, bro. Are you good? Appreciate it. 4 times the charm, ain't he? Ah. 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 Hold on.
Oh my. Man, it's a bad.
That's a beast, boy. Like all this move, hey, we gonna make it happen, God, dog.
Yeah, right, bro.
Yeah.
My drag was loose and
Well, mud. Y'all don't know how much work that is for real. It may not look like a lot,
to get that fish. It's
but God, dog. Whew. We're gonna work on getting this hook out this fish mouth, y'all.
All right, Jess.
Y'all, we got the hook out. Like I said, I'm gonna get some pictures on this boy. Good catch, my boy. And hey, yeah, I'm gonna release on him. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Yes, sir, my boy. Yes, sir. Gone.
You feel good.
Hey, my boy came out of retirement. How you feeling, bro?
Pretty good, man.
Yes, sir. Sheesh. Took us a few tries, but we made it happen. It's been a long day, y'all. We finally got one on the bank. Whew. If you made this far in the video, like, comment, subscribe, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hey, hopefully we can get one more before we leave.
No rain, K3.
Man, say, they be lying.
You got a bite.
Sheesh. Hey, we out here in the trenches. It's raining. I'm never good when it comes to the weather. How does the weather say 0% chance of rain? And all of a sudden it's raining, bro. All in the trenches with it. This is crazy. Literally raining. And it's raining crazy. Like, what is going on in Texas, man? Check the river out. The weatherman, the weather app, everybody lying. Rain is coming down crazy. But hopefully it passed over and like we already wet now. Hey, do a guard bite in the rain?
Yeah, I don't know, but we on.
Yes, sir. Ooh! A needle nose. Ew!
What's up with me today? Get out of here.
Ew! Hey, my boy on fire, man. It's like, hey, go in the rain. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Oh. That look like a hybrid.
I gotta go.
Yes, sir. Hey, bro. Ah. Oh.
Damn, why the f be raining in Dallas?
Bro. Dallas, Texas. Hey, Dallas, Texas, man. In the rain. Still catching fish. Well, he catching fish. But hey, we out here, man. Oh, it's barely on there. Just go ahead and lay it right here. Like he right up under the chin. Look at him. Oh, watch your head. Ooh. Not to right now. Not if I ain't got to. Woo!
Try to hit me.
Yeah, he gonna hit you in the face. Outdoors for K3, man. My boy Jett here. Caught all the fish today, man. Say, how you feeling, bro?
Shit, pretty good, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, thank y'all for watching, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, remember what I say, man. Stay blessed, stay fishing. Peace. Y'all seen that? Sheesh. Crazy. Man. We're getting too close.
Put him down. Put him down.
That's Bowser.
He's so cute. Put him down.
Yeah, that's lit.
Bro, he's pretty. Look at the back of his shell. How it's like.